Oh my god, hey, it's me. I'm gonna be repotting some of my brand new plants today. This is a Scindapsus pictus argyraeus, and this one here is a lemon lime philodendron. I'm really sorry about the lighting. It's like, I don't even know what fucking time it is, but there's like no good place to film this. Like the whole garden is full of dog shit and I cannot be bothered cleaning it up. I thought we could just do a repotting today. I've got a few pots to choose from. Like, look at this one. This is from, where did I get these from? Bulleen Art and Garden. This one from Bulleen Art and Garden. So is this one here, but it's just a matter of picking which is going to suit which plant. I've also got some back here which are from some other random, oh my god, did beans eat that? No. Anyway, we've got this one's like ugly. I don't like that one. I think the first one we're going to do is this one here. I know you're not supposed to like repot them like straight afterwards, but I'm going to do it anyway. There's literally like no drainage in this. I mean, there is, but it's like super shit. Look at all the roots. Oh, we've got two. Okay, there's two little plants in here. I'm not gonna like separate them. I'm gonna keep them in the same pot because I want the pot to be like super full. The question is, oh my god, don't wipe your hands in the dog shit, please. The question is like, what pot am I gonna put it in? I don't fucking know. Like, this is cute, but I feel like because the pot is like quite a statement, I feel like it takes away from the actual leaves. I feel like you'd need to put a really simple plant in here, like one that doesn't have a lot of, I don't know. Do you know what I'm trying to say? Like, I don't fuck. What about this one? This one's really cute. Ooh, that's nice. Fuck my life. I've also decided that I'm gonna let that Scindapsus kind of like hang rather than climb up a pole. I know they like climb up like trees and shit in the wild, but I reckon we do this one. What about this? No, let's just do it in this one. Fuck it. Otherwise we're literally gonna be here all day. So for my potting mix today, I'm this big bucket here. I know you guys can't really see it properly, but basically what it has in it is premium soil from Osmocote, orchid bark, perlite, and charcoal, and it has like some slow release fertilizer in it as well. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap it around itself as well. I don't know if you guys saw me do that with my Monstera Siltipacana when I first like had it, but essentially what I did is I like wrapped it around so it created like a fuller looking pot. So maybe I'll wrap this one like this, and then this one can go kind of like, fuck off, did that just break? No, it didn't. Okay, it's okay. Fuck, I literally shut myself in the head. And then put like this one in. That's the plan. This is a super airy like mix. Like, it's literally basically just all orchid bark and perlite, the majority of it. And then there's like a little bit of soil and then a little bit of like charcoal. I find that the airier the soil, just like the happier my plants are, because they don't like, I don't know, like it's just, they don't get root rot as easy. I mean, I haven't had a plant get root rot in a long time, but just, I don't know, I just feel like it's better for them. And it also prevents gnats. Like, I fucking hate gnats. Like, they're freaking disgusting. I was so like pleasantly surprised with like the stuff yesterday at the Bulleen Art and Garden. Like, I haven't been there in ages, and like last time I went there, like they didn't have a lot of stuff, but this time I don't know if you guys can fucking hear that. This time they had good stuff, so I reckon what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of put this in like this. Oh my god, so cute. And then I'll kind of like do that like that. That way the aerial roots can go back into the soil. So it's Sunday. It's actually Easter today, but like, because I'm like old, I'm not old, but like 21. Like, I'm not obviously doing anything for Easter. Like, I don't have an Easter egg hunt to go to. I want a fucking Easter egg hunt. I fucking love Easter egg hunts. They're so fun. So because this is kind of popping out of the soil like this, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use some bobby pins, and I'm just going to pin it into the soil just to kind of hold it in place. And I'll put some more soil on top of it so it kind of, I don't know, like anchors itself. Fucking go in. What I did as well, so I actually repotted my Monstera Siltipacana yesterday because it was just like doing so horrible. Like it was, when I took it out of the pot, a lot of the cuttings like hadn't taken, so they were just kind of sitting there, and that's why the plant looked so fucking horrible, because none of the cuttings had like rooted yet, and they were kind of just all limp and like disgusting. Anyway, I fixed it up and I took a majority of the cuttings out. Like she looks bald now, but like she'll be fine. But I ended up putting like moss all over the top of the plant, and it looked so good. I'll have to show you when I get inside, but oh my god, she looks so cute. She looks so cute. I'll pin it and I'll put soil. How about that? Where's the dog shit? Where is it? It's not there. Just kind of bang it down like that. It's fucking so relaxing doing this. I'm so glad I have this microphone as well. Like I don't have to yell or anything, which is like really good. I mean, I do like yelling, but she looks so cute. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Her leaves are kind of backwards here, but like they're kind of like upside down. Can you see? I reckon for now we'll just leave her, and then I'll water her obviously afterwards. So she can go there. Okay, next is our Philodendron, lemon lime philodendron. Okay, let's bring this back. We're gonna need her. Okay, that's good enough. They're her roots. Well, we're gonna have to do the mushroom pot, aren't we? Didn't really give myself a choice, did I? Also, if you're wondering what I do with this dirt, is I either like I put it in the garden, or I literally put it in the compost bin. Like it's either or. I don't reuse it because it's old. It's so cute. It's so cute. That's like one vine. Like I know it's branched off here, but it's one plant. That's crazy. Like that looks cute, right? I don't think this is the right pot for it. Like I think I'm gonna regret this later, but I don't really have a choice. That, oh fuck, that looks so much better. That looks so much better. But it doesn't have a hole. I don't know how to drill a hole. I don't even know where the drill is. Like, I think I fucked myself. I mean, it doesn't look bad. Like, it doesn't look that bad, but like, fuck it, just fucking do it. Like, you literally like don't even have a choice, so just fucking do it, okay? But nobody loves me. Okay, and then it'll go in like that. Cute, okay. I really hope this fucking microphone is working. If it's not working, then I seriously have filmed for nothing. Oh my god, I'm getting shit everywhere. Usually use that lid to like have underneath, but because it's got all the other soil on it, I need a table. Like I need like a proper like, it's like one of those planes that like leave a little like thing in the sky. Do you know what I'm talking about? I don't know. That's what she looks like right now. She looks cute. Aw, she looks cute. What do you reckon? Cute? That's my video. I hope you guys liked that. First like actual like YouTube repotting video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you haven't seen the vlog of me actually buying these, feel free to watch that. I'll link it down below. But yeah, have a good day.